Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM giotto espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a lot of stuff. We had to replace the control box, the boiler safety valve, we replaced the gasket from the group head, the shower screen, descale the machine. We also had to retie some of the hot water and steam ones and give it a good clean overall. So yeah, it was a lot of work with this machine, and now we're gonna test it out. Starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna just see if I actually pick up the right grind settings for this machine, or maybe I just not do it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, not bad. We got a little bit of crema, so it could be a little bit more finer. I might need to adjust our grinder to see how it's actually doing. And yeah, it did great. It's a good shot of espresso. Water flow from the group head is pretty good. Looks great. Steam one working perfectly fine. Having excellent pressure and hot water. Working great. And there you have it, ECM giotto working once again. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.